The Eglo energy-efficient recessed light is simple to install. Most important, turn off the power first. Then, unscrew the light bulb and remove the trim ring. Separate the quick connector. Insert the threaded socket into the socket base in the recessed housing. Snap the quick connector together. Then insert the spring clips and press in the ring flush to the ceiling, and you're done. Now you're ready to turn on the light. It's just that simple. That's the Eglo difference. My light, my style.